everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another What You Making Monday. So this recipe actually doesn't have the greatest name. It's called Poor Man's Lobster. Meaning it's supposed to taste like lobster, but obviously we're not buying lobster because lobster, even though it is delicious, can be very pricey. So we are using cod. So I think I'm going to title this video Lemon Pepper Cod. And then I'm also going to try and make some herb couscous to go with it. It has thyme and bay leaf, garlic, onion in it. Never made it before, but I thought I would try a different side dish with this meal. So I will show you how to make it. time. Looks delicious. The recipe did call for a thyme sprig. I did not have that, but I do like thyme, so I just added a little extra in there. So it's broiled for 7 minutes and it turns out perfect. And then I just like to brush on a little bit of extra butter on it. So for taste, and I'm gonna give it a try. Delicious, so flavorful, simple lemon pepper seasoning that you can get at Walmart or Target or wherever, and some paprika. And with me doing the brine, so to speak, I don't even know if that's what it is, putting salt instead of the recipe calls for sugar. I think it's better with the salt, but you can do the sugar as well and it tastes just fine. So now I'm going to try the couscous. Super duper good. I just love the texture of couscous. I don't know why, just kind of a good texture in my mouth, I guess. I've only cooked it a handful of times, but I just was looking through my pantry trying to use up some stuff, and I was like, hey, I have a whole entire container of couscous. I might as well use it. So 2 thumbs up for that recipe. I'm sure you could add in other herbs and spices in it. I don't know if necessarily the cod and the couscous are meant to go together, but they taste good together. So there's that. So that is my lemon pepper cod with herb couscous. But thank you for watching. And don't forget to click that subscribe button to see more recipe videos coming out on Mondays. And comment below what you're having for dinner tonight, and maybe it will be featured in a future video because I'm always looking for new recipes to try. So if you have a favorite that you would like me to make a video on, I would love to do that. And give this video a big thumbs up. I'll see you next time.